Hi, I'm giving you the 5th tip now on how to boost your mortgage score. 10% of your overall score is based on your inquiries. How many do you have? Sometimes clients have none. Some clients have 10 or 15. So a couple facts. I'm not an insurance expert, so call your insurance agent, but from what I've seen, insurance and utilities are a soft pull. That means it will not lower your mortgage score. So go ahead and do that, set up your utilities. If you have any specific questions for those particular industries, please call those industries. But that's what I've seen based on my experience. Let's talk about cars. So sometimes we have a client that will have an auto accident. That happens. And they total their car and they need to go get a new car. From what I've seen, when you pull and go into a auto dealer, the financial people say, hey, I'll shop around and get you the best deal. Now again, ask the auto folks because don't specialize in auto financing. However, what I've seen is they may shop that around to 5 or 10 or whatever the number is, auto dealerships. That means 5 auto financing companies are pulling your score. That's a hard pull. And I have seen new clients with new cars, they'll drop their score 20 points, 100 points, and that impacts not only score, but if you're in the middle of trying to buy a home, that could impact your house payment. So be very careful when you're buying a new car. If you're buying a new car and a house within a few months of each other, please consult with your loan officer and they will give you the guidance about doing that. Now, here's the other thing. How many times have we been at a department store and they say, hey, save 10% if you open a department store credit? And I'm thinking, that's tempting. I'd like to save $20 or $5 or whatever that number might be. But when you do that, that is an inquiry. So when you have an inquiry, that is going to take your credit score down. Let's talk about mortgage pulls. So when we pull your score today, that is a hard pull today. And I've had some clients that say, I don't want to have my score pulled. There's things we can do to work around that. However, keep in mind the other factors. So there is a 14-day look back. You can have multiple mortgage companies pull your credit for 14 days. It will show up as inquiry, but it will not hurt your score. I've also had clients say, hey, you pulled my credit, thank you, and my score dropped 20 points. What happened? Well, keep in mind those other 4 factors. Maybe you went on a vacation and you maxed out a credit card. For that given moment, your credit score will decline. And then you come home, you get the bill, and you pay it off entirely. Well, your credit score may actually drop. So your credit score does move around from month to month, but depending on what your original mortgage score is, you may impact your credit score more than when a mortgage score is pulled. So there's all these components that make up a score. When in doubt, give us a call and we'll give you some tips on how to keep your score up. All right, thank you much.